Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 2, and this is also for our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, when it comes to part number 2, as you can see from the preview, it's very similar to part number 1, with the exception that we're getting an extra circle cutter. So I'm going to open this and just run through it again, just so you guys kind of get the idea again, so you're a bit more familiar with how this part works. As we can see here on the little thing, we've got D4, which is this inner circle. It's the new thing we're adding. Like I mentioned, it gets a bit confusing with all these numbers and lines crossing each other, and that is why we make these videos. So now let's make it the same dimension as the first one. I'm going to go 300. Then let's keep let's first set our outers, so we're going to make them 50 again. Then the inside, instead of going 250 by taking it right to the edge, I'm just going to 200 from the start. And then inside diameter, I'm going to make 100, and let's really see what that looks like. Preview. Looks pretty good, I think. And then this time, let's go to the number, and we set it to an uneven number like 3. So we can see we've got our 3 cutouts with a circle in the center. Now what I can do is let's set this one to 90 degrees, and we have it nice and flush at the bottom. So there we go. We've got our part 2 shape here. Like I mentioned, just something to keep in mind. The 4 is the only added feature. So this one, instead of having 5, it's got 6 different options we can set. So with everything like this, I'm going to say OK, make manual quantity 1, say add, and then we just add this to our canvas here. Here we go. Now we've got D2. I'm going to say P2 for part 2, and it's quite a handy shape this to play around with. But yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.